So if we double click that, we get probably a slightly nicer tone for skin colours. If we double click it again, we can make ourselves look a little bit more suntan. Ladies and gentlemen, check this out. This is the SparkO. It's a 4-in-1 versatile hands-free flashlight. I absolutely adore this. It's got multiple brightness settings, of which it really is incredibly bright, and it has multiple modes, so you can change from bright white to a slightly off-white, which is probably better for doing selfies and this kind of stuff. And then you have a slightly amber looking light here, and then you have red light, and sort of more for cycling, danger, and all of this kind of good stuff. So let's just turn it off and have a look at the construction of the light. The light itself is independent from the housing, and it's on a magnetic clip, so you can effectively just clip this onto your t-shirt or clip it onto your clothes. It has a USB-C charge port on it. With the light comes a rather cool magnetic stand. So we have here then the ability to be able to clip the light onto the stand, and just gives you the ability to be able, it gives you the ability to be able to put that light beam anywhere you fancy. Now, what I didn't realise is the stand itself is also magnetic on both sides. When you buy this kit, you also receive a magnetic stick-on strip here, which gives you the ability to be able to connect this magnetically to your phone, and then sit the light on your phone and use the light both facing you potentially and also facing away from you if you're shooting video. And I just thought that's a really, really good idea. I mean, a really well thought out piece of kit here. Quite impressed with this. Right, hello folks, there it is. Yeah, so we're in video mode right now, and hopefully you can see the light attached to the phone. You can see the ceiling of the house and all that kind of good stuff. Let's go ahead and turn this light on. So press and hold, and we get, and let's just cycle through the modes. So here we go. Here we go. Look at that now. That's absolutely magnificent. That's a lovely bright light. But you can tell it really makes a massive difference to what you're going to be doing selfie-wise. So if we double-click that, we get probably a slightly nicer tone for skin colours. If we double-click it again, we can make ourselves look a little bit more suntanned. So let's just pop that on and cycle it up. And there we go. And you can see my face there looking a little bit sort of a slightly more natural colour. And also, if you look into my eyes, don't look around the eyes, look into my eyes, you're back in the room. You'll also see that lovely circular light effect, or ring light effect, which a lot of photographers tend to use. How cool is this light?